Good morning, students. Previous videos, we have discussed about EMF and EMI, electromagnetic inductions. Today we are going to discuss about eddy current with the help of Faraday's law. What is a eddy current? An EMF is induced in a conductor when the magnetic flux passing through it changes. However, the conductor need not be in the form of a wire or coil. How is the eddy current produced? How is the eddy current produced? Even for a conductor in the form of a sheet or plate, an EMF is induced when the magnetic flux linked with it changes. The induced currents flow in concentric circular paths called eddy current or Fico current. Demonstration of eddy current. Here is a simple demonstration for the production of eddy currents. Consider pendulum that can be made to oscillate between the pole of powerful electromagnet. Show the figure. First, the electromagnet is switched off. The pendulum is slightly displaced and release state. It began to oscillate and execute a large number of oscillations before stopping. The air friction is only damping force. When the electromagnet is switched on, the disc of pendulum is made of oscillate, eddy current are produced. In it will be a opposed oscillation. A heavy damping force of eddy current will bring the pendulum to rest within a few oscillations. However, if some slant or catch in the disc or show the figure, the pendulum now will execute the several oscillation before coming to rest. Second one, drawback of eddy current. When eddy current flow in the conductor, a large amount of energy is dissipated in the form of heat. The energy lost due to the flow of eddy current is inevitable, but it can be reduced to a greater extent with suitable measures. The designs of a transformer, core and electric motor armatures scurational loss in order and minimize the eddy current losses. To reduce these losses, the core of transformer is made up of thin lamination insulator from one another. While an electric motor is winding the made up of group of wires insulator from one another. This insulations used does not allow huge eddy current to flow and hence losses are minimized. Application of eddy current. The application of eddy current for application induction stove, eddy current brake, eddy current testing, electromagnetic damping. First application induction stove. Induction stove is used to cook the food quickly and safely with a less energy consumption. Below the cooking zone, there is a straightly wood coil of insulated wire. The cooking pan made of suitable material is placed over the cooking zone. When the stove is switched on, the alternating current flowing the coil produces high frequency alternating magnetic field, which induce very strong eddy current in the cooking pan. The eddy currents in the pan produce so much of heat due to joule heating, which is used to cook the food. Note that point. The frequency of domestic AC supply is increased from 50 to 60 Hz to around 20 to 40 kHz before giving it to the coil in order to produce high frequency alternating magnetic field. Second eddy application, eddy current brake. The eddy current braking systems generally used in the high speed train and roller coasters. Strong electromagnets are fixed just above the rails. To stop the train, electromagnets are switched on. The magnetic field of this magnet induces eddy current in the rail which oppose or resist of movement of the train. This is a eddy current linear brake. In some cases, the circular disc connected to the wheel of train through a common shift is meant to rotate the between the pole of electromagnet. When there is a relative motion between the disc, the magnet eddy current or induce the disc, which is stop the train. This eddy current circular brake. Eddy current testing. It is one of the simple non-destructive testing method to find define the like surface cracks, air bubbles present the specimen. A coil of insulated wire is given alternating electric current so that is produced an alternating magnetic field. This presence of defined causes the changes the space and amplitude of eddy current that can be detected by the some other means. This way is detect presence in the specimen or identified. Electromagnetic damping. The armature of galvanometer coil is pushed on a soft iron cylinder. Once the armature is deflected, the relative motions between the soft iron cylinder and the radial magnetic field induce eddy current in the cylinder. Figure 4.7. The damping force due to the flow of eddy current bring the armature to rest immediately and the galvanometer show the steady deflections. This is called electromagnetic damping.